In this video, I'm going to show you how to syndicate your blog's RSS feed through Feedburner. Every WordPress blog that you host will have an RSS feed, and it enables you to get the contents of your blog out to a wider audience, so people can read what's on your blog without actually having to come to your blog page. A lot of WordPress themes will actually have an RSS button on the top, just like on this one, and when you click on it, like this, it will display the latest posts and comments and so on. I'm using Internet Explorer for this demonstration because for some reason my configuration of Firefox isn't showing this properly, but I think it's a problem at my end rather than with my WordPress blog. Now, to syndicate your blog feed, first of all you need to grab the URL of your blog feed and just copy that, and then you want to log into Feedburner. If you type in feedburner.google.com, you'll be redirected to this page. And you need to sign in with your Google account, so I'll just do that now. And then what you do is you paste the URL into this box here where it says burner feed right this instant. So type that in. If you're a podcaster, you check this box here. I'm not, so I'll leave it unchecked and then just simply click on next. And there we go, it's telling me what the feed is called, and it's giving me a feed address. So click on next to activate it. And there we go, this is your feed, or my feed rather. So I'm going to copy that link location because I'll need it again in a moment. And now you can add some extra bells and whistles to your Feedburner feed. So click on next. And you can add some tracking. It already tracks circulation and readership. You can also track click-throughs, how often people click the items back to your site, and you can also have some other items here like item enclosure, which is podcast downloads, which is helpful if you have audios on your site, and so on. And then click on next, and there we go, that's now sorted out. Now you want to install a plugin so that your RSS feed from your blog is redirected through Feedburner, so that everybody who goes to your blog and gets the RSS feed actually gets the optimized Feedburner feed. And you do that with a plugin. So you come back here to the plugins page, and I'm click on Add New. And the plugin that I want is called FD Feedburner, so I just type that in now. And do a search on plugins. And there we go, FD Feedburner plugin. So click on Install Now, and click on OK. And there we go. So now I need to click on Activate Plugin. And the plugin is activated. So now come down to Settings. And click here, it says Feedburner. And now I need to click here where it says redirect my feeds here, and then paste in my feedburner.com URL. You can click some of these advanced options. I'm going to skip them for this demonstration and click on Save. And there we go, the configuration is updated. So now when people come to my site and want to get my RSS feed, they'll be automatically redirected to my Feedburner feed. And I'll just demonstrate that now. We've come back to the main blog page on Internet Explorer. I'm clicking on the RSS feed again. And there you go. You can see it's being redirected to the RSS feed via Feedburner. But what if you want to import an RSS feed into your blog? Well, that's actually quite simple. What I'm going to do here is import the feed from this site, the Google AdSense for Feeds blog. And I'm going to click here where it says Site Feed. And I'm going to take this URL and copy it. So right click and copy. And I'm going to come back to my blog and I'm going to use a widget for this, and I'm going to place this widget over the blog. So let me just open up that for the moment. And then the widget that I'm going to use is this one here, RSS, and it's already pre-installed. So it says entries from any RSS or Atom feed. So I'm going to drag this up so that it goes over the blog. And I'm going to enter the URL there, just paste it in, and I'll give the feed a title. Let's call it Latest News. And how many items would I like to display? Well, let's say I want to display 5 items. And I can display the item content and the author, and I don't think I'll display the date. I'll leave that one blank. And click on Save. And there we go, that's saved. And now if I go to the main blog page, open it in a new tab, and you can see it's displaying these RSS feeds here in the blog. And that's all built in as part of WordPress. So there you go, that's how you can export a feed via Feedburner and import a feed into your blog.